Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 truly secret websites to make money this year. Guys, have you heard of freecash.com? I know the world is full of get paid to websites, but one newer player you might not have heard about is called Freecash. So besties, they offer free rewards on this website and it is globally available. From anywhere in the world, you can apply for it. Go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, you can then make money with a range of tasks. Cash surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and cash games, just to mention a few. Guys, this website has already paid millions to its first members and it adds new ways to earn money all the time. What is the best part? You can cash out with dozens of gift cards, PayPal cash, crypto, and even video games related reward. Go ahead and try out Freecash today. Freecash.com today. Guys, as for the second one, I'm sure you're not ready for this one. Are you ready for this one? Guys, do you know that the government and other agencies sometimes owe everyday people money? Yes, they might be owing you money, and that's right. There are billions of dollars out there that is owed to everyday people. It happens when things like tax returns, grants, investments, income, properties, and other types of assets are owed to someone, but they go unclaimed. The great news is that you can use this free tool from being verified to see there's unclaimed money and assets in your name. However, this is only for United States citizens, but it's also a super simple way to check if there's some free money in your future. If you live outside of United States, you can check out my other videos. Yes, when it comes to top free money offers. Yes, instead of some easy cash. Guys, head over to missingmoney.com. If you're sure that if you live in the United States, there are legitimately thousands of ways to begin making money online, but there are so many methods that are incredibly saturated and some are not worth the effort anymore. But don't fret, there are still some secret websites to make money online that you can turn into cash for yourself. Yes, they have not run out of the steam yet, and here are some of my all-time favorites. Yes, here are the best secret websites to make money. The next one on my list here is surveyjunkie.com. Not many people know about this, but this market research panel is currently paying $55,000 plus in daily payouts to members right now. Yes, so make sure that you check out Hello Junkie. It's one of the highest paying survey sites in the business. Now, this survey panel is also available in North America and Australia. It helps you to get free cash gifts, free gift cards in exchange for your time and of course for sharing your opinions. Signing up is free and it takes just your email. Yes, and they pay you every single day. The favorite part about the secret money making website is that their payout is $5. Once you have $5, you hit $5, you can always cash your money. If you live here in the United States, there's another website that I think you should try. It's called cashkick.com. This discovery rewards platform pays you with PayPal cash for playing games, for answering surveys, and for installing apps. And I like it because they pay you right through with PayPal just after earning $10. And just so you know, CashKick is accepting new members again. You can go ahead and sign up for free with your email if you're 18 years or older and you live here in the United States. The team adds new offers all the time, so there's always new ways to earn money. And some of the offers pay you $50 or even more in most cases. In some cases, you can start earning money with CashKick. And yes, the next app on my list here is called 5 Surveys. Yes, you heard me, 5surveys.com. Survey sites are a dime a dozen these days, but this one new website, I'm sure you have not heard of it. It's a free website and it's super easy to use. Signing up takes only your email and it's completely free. You can get paid, yes, when you do your first 5 surveys. Guys, there is no confusing point system or low paying surveys. They pay you real fast on this website. They let you redeem dozens of free cash gifts, yes, as well as gift cards. They also use PayPal money and bank transfers is also available. Overall, this is one of the highest paying sites in the survey space, despite being new and less well known. A lot of people don't know about this website. So guys, head over to 5 Surveys and start to make money from the comfort of your home. Guys, I want to share this secret discovery with you guys. But before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and massive support to your girl. I see you guys and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. And please, in case you have not left your trademark in the comments, let me know what you do for a living, how you found this video, and what have you. So besties, if you have a business or you have a service that you offer, I'm going to show you a way to always get consistent clients. So head over to yelp.com. And yes, what you need to do is register your business on Yelp. And yes, once you do that, they're going to pitch their free ad for you for a whole month. They will run ads for you for a month. Please take on the offer. You're going to get a lot of leads, a lot of phone calls. Input your phone number. Yes, don't use email. Don't give them too much of, stress. Put your phone number there. They will reach out to you. You're going to get a lot of clients from Yelp.com. I'm telling you, it's gonna be free, like I said, but please note they're gonna charge you on the first day just to verify your card information, and then they will return the money back in 24 hours. They will return, I promise you, they will return the money back into your bank account in 24 hours. They will run the ad for you. After a month you can decide to cancel, but please, I want to implore you, don't bother canceling, because advertisement is the bedrock of every business, the lifeblood of every business. If you're not running ads, if no one is getting to know, if no one is marketing, for you, if no one is speaking about your business every day, then you're not in business. So you want something to, you want a platform that is always constantly sharing your information with people that need your services. I mean, what is better than, what can be better than making money from the comfort of your home every single day? Nothing, if you ask me. So yes, guys, that is it. Go over to Yelp.com, register your business, and take on their offer for free ad. Let them run the ad for you. I promise you, you can get up to 10,000% returns on your investment depending on what you sell. Me, I'm into premium services and products. So yes, I can get up to 10,000% returns on my investments when I run ads on Yelp. I bet you I'm gonna keep running the ads, man. On Yelp, it's the best thing that I've done in a long time. And just so you know, there's a giveaway going on this channel. All you need to do is, I'm giving away $100. Yes. All you need to do is join my Telegram community, join my Telegram group. You can find the link in the description, and then you could also you need to add 50 people to my Telegram community. And when you do that, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna send you the 10,000 US dollars. I'm gonna select randomly, and just so you know, it's for a limited time. So add people to my Telegram to my Telegram community, to my Telegram channel as soon as possible, so that I can consider you for this, to win my my free $100 gift. Yes, and I'm gonna send it to you from anywhere in the world. Yes, any part of the world. I'm gonna send you the cash gifts. Yes, if you are selected. So please go ahead and start to add people. You add yourself first to my Telegram community, and then begin to add more people into my Telegram group. And that is it, guys, for today. Making money is easy. Money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And that is it, guys, for today. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chasters. Bye for now.